Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1967 Brother Webster XL-500 vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Margins are located up top here, and you just push them down and move them like this. I'm going to set that on 0 and this one around 75, and there's a button back here that releases the paper support arm, flips up like a switchblade, and this is the paper bail that sits on top and holds the page down. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, keep it back at the beginning. It skips 1, 1.5, or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want 1.5, you just flip the switch forward 1, and it skips 1.5. 1 more, it skips 2. I'm going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, flip the switch up on the right side here, up to that red square. Prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. Very nice typing machine. Very modern feeling machine. Brother made some of the most popular typewriters in this time frame in the 60s and the 70s and the 80s. And they still do make printers to this day. So it's a very reputable brand. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You just flip it back and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy. Or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. I'm gonna flip this paper support arm back down. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. After that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the right side. Works good. Tab on the top right, and this automatically just skips 10 spaces, so you can't set manual tabs on this model. Open the hood. You got, this is metal, it's not a plastic typewriter, it's all metal. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on this left side, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch the direction, you just rotate this holder here, and it'll switch the direction to the counterclockwise to the left. We want to keep it going to the right. So we flip that, there it goes. And we're going to switch that color selector back down to black so it prints black. And this just pops on and off. It comes up straight from the top like this. And it inserts into these little rubber inserts. And I have those available on my eBay and Etsy shop. 3D printed replacements for those. Since they don't make those anymore, it's kind of hard to find them. Carriage release on the right side only on this model. Very smooth carriage slide. And with the line indicator, we did 1.5 and 2 spaces, but if you push it all the way back, it'll disable the spacing altogether. So you can get to an exact spot on the page, and if you push it forward, it'll just give you those clicks. Each one of those clicks is a half a space on this model. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.